How to fix uploading a mod not working in the mod tool. There are a couple of reasons you might see an error while uploading a mod in the mod tool. Check out the troubleshooting steps below to fix the problem and get back to modding. Up01 errors, Up02 errors, Up03 errors, Up04 errors, Up05 errors. Up01 errors. Up01 errors occur when you've encountered some internal failure or when the parameters passed to the mod uploader are missing or invalid. To resolve these errors, 1. Make sure you have valid parameters, if applicable. 2. Restart the app. Up02 errors. Up02 errors occur when there's a network error. To resolve these errors, 1. Check your network connection. 2. Restart the app. Up03 errors. Up03-001 and Up03-002 errors occur when the selected directory is empty or does not exist. To resolve these errors, 1. Click retry. 2. Select an existing directory that contains the build. 3. Proceed with the upload. The Up03-003 error occurs when the upload files are not in draft/changes needed status. To resolve the error, 1. Recall the mod for further changes or choose another one that is in draft/changes needed status. 2. Restart the app. Up04 errors. Up04 errors occur when there's a problem with your authentication. To resolve these errors, make sure you're using the correct user credentials to upload. Up05 errors. Up05-001 errors occur when the selected directory contains files that are restricted. To resolve the error, 1. Remove restricted files. 2. Click retry. 3. Select an existing directory that contains the build. 4. Proceed with the upload. Up05-002 errors occur when the total files in the selected directory exceed maximum limits. 1. Reduce total file size. 2. Click retry. 3. Select an existing directory that contains the build. 4. Proceed with the upload.